Yan. Twinmix TV. One and only. Thank you, one and only. Mega love shout out. Na-delete mo si CH20 yung comments niya. Ibalik ko na po, Ma'am Litifa. Naibalik ko na. Napindot ko siya. Hello from... Ano yun? Doon ka, B. Nagsiselfon ka. Naibalik ko na po si si CH. May moderator na siya. Napindot. sorry. Napindot ko si 20CH. Cellphone lang kaya ang gamit ko. Sorry, 20CH. Dibaki, Sisi, mega love shoutout, thank you. Ayan na, may moderator na si 20CH, you have a moderator. Thank you, 20CH, for coming. Mega love shoutout. God bless you. God bless you too. Sis Dibaki, mega love shoutout. Twinmix TV Rosel. Pamahaw na da idol. Mahaw na ikaw. Your language. Yes, English, Tagalog, Philippine language. Or in the Philippines, too much language. Dibaki, Prapansya, Mysore. Canada. Sisi, hello, Dibaki. Our language, Canada. Your language. Our Philippine, our Philippine language is Tagalog. Tagalog. From Kamataka, Mysore. Mysore. Where's India? Sisi Dibaki, this India. Like dun. This India, Sisi Dibaki. Yeah, India. Okay. Yes, India people is so nice. Here in the Philippines, sir, in our place, Bicol region, too much Filipino. Too much Indian. You have, Indian is have, mosque. I don't know how to speak mosque. Church. How to say? Church or... village, yeah. Here in the Philippines have a village, then have a church. Here in our place. Here in our place, too much Indian. One and only, hello. Mega love shout out. Thank you for coming. Your place, village. Yes. They're in our place. Sisi Dibaka. Have too much Indian. This is nice people. Indian. And every once a week, every week have two times, Inday vlog. Sisi, hello. Thank you for coming. Mega love shout out. Inday vlog. Thank you, sis. Thank you sa pagbisita. Mega love shout out. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagbisita sa aking live. Habang nagpapahinga. Habang nagpapahinga, live.